No bars again. I swear, this phone never has signal when I need it most.
Really? You don't have any service here? Mine's working fine?
Not a single bar. I was supposed to call Mike about our project update.
Maybe it's the spot you're standing in. Try moving closer to the window.
Still nothing. Why is this so frustrating?
Maybe your carrier has issues in this area. Have you thought about switching?
I've thought about it, but I've been with them forever. Plus, all my data is set up with them.
True, switching can be a hassle, but if you're always getting bad service.
Yeah, I guess it's just the inconvenience that's holding me back.
Understandable. But wouldn't it be worth it to finally have a reliable connection?
You're right. I'll look into it. For now though, I need to get in touch with Mike.
I can lend you my phone if you want. Do you remember his number?
Oh, good idea, and yeah, I think I remember it, thanks.
No problem. Hopefully he picks up and you don't have to worry about this again.
I really hope so. Otherwise, I might just toss this phone out the window.
Let's not go that far. New phones aren't cheap, remember?
True. I guess I'll hold off on the dramatic gestures for now.
Good call. But really, consider switching if it keeps happening.
I will. Thanks for helping me out.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
How many hours do you think it'll take to drive there?
Probably around 3, if traffic's not too bad.
3 hours? That's not too long. Do you want to leave early?
Yeah, that might be a good idea. Maybe around 7 a.m.
Sounds good. Should we bring snacks?
Definitely. I'll grab some chips and drinks. What do you want?
Maybe some fruit and granola bars. I'll pack those.
Perfect. Did you check if the weather's good for tomorrow?
Yep, it should be sunny all day.
Awesome. Do we have a playlist ready?
Oh, I'm working on it. Any song requests?
I'm fine with anything, but maybe throw in some classics.
Got it. I'll make sure we have a mix of old and new songs.
Cool. By the way, do we need to book tickets for any spots there?
Yes, I think we need tickets for the museum. Want me to book them?
Yes, please. I'll pay you back.
No worries. I'll take care of it. Are you bringing a camera?
Yup. I charged it and packed extra batteries.
Great. This is going to be so much fun.
Agreed. Let's make it an awesome day.
Absolutely. Can't wait.
Can you drop me home?
Sure, no problem. What time do you want to leave?
Maybe around 6 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll wrap up my work a bit early.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. My car's still in the shop.
Oh, what happened to it?
Just some engine issues. They said it should be fixed by tomorrow.
Hopefully, it doesn't cost too much.
I know, right? Repairs can be so expensive.
Tell me about it. Last time I had a flat tire, it took ages to get fixed.
That's the worst. At least it didn't break down on the highway.
True, that would have been a nightmare.
By the way, are you hungry? We could grab a snack on the way.
Sure, I could go for something light. Any ideas?
How about that new sandwich place? Heard it's good.
Sounds perfect. I'm always up for a good sandwich.
Great, I'll look up directions.
Awesome. Let's just hope traffic isn't too bad today.
Yeah, fingers crossed. I really don't want to get home too late.
Don't worry, I'll get you there as fast as I can.
Thanks again, Mark. You're a lifesaver.
What's done is done, there's no point in stressing over it.
I know, but I can't help feeling guilty.
We all make mistakes. You did what you thought was best.
I just wish I had handled it differently.
Hindsight is always clearer, isn't it? Don't beat yourself up too much.
You're right. I just keep thinking about what could have been.
Dwelling on it won't change anything. What matters now is what you do next.
I guess. I just don't know how to fix things from here.
Have you tried talking to them? Maybe there's a way to clear the air.
I have, but it didn't go as planned. It was awkward.
Well, that's a start. Not every conversation goes perfectly, but at least you tried.
True. I just hate feeling like I messed things up permanently.
Look, time heals a lot. Give it some space and let them process too.
Maybe I'm overthinking it, but I feel like they'll never forgive me.
People surprise you sometimes. Maybe they're just hurt right now.
I hope so. I really want things to go back to the way they were.
They might not be exactly the same, but that doesn't mean things won't improve.
I just need to learn to let go, I guess.
Exactly. What's important is that you've learned something from this.
Yeah, definitely. I'll try to focus on moving forward.
Good. And remember, I'm here for you if you need anything.
Thanks. It helps a lot to have someone to talk to.
Anytime. I've been there too, you know.
Please subscribe and see you soon.